Ramping up line speed to boost output, coatings become soft and peel off at a touch. Line speed and temperature don't match. Adjusting speed alone is pointless. Line speed determines how long workpieces stay in the curing oven. Increased speed, hold time shortens. If curing temperature stays the same, the coating cures incompletely. Slow down too much. Over-curing makes the coating yellow and brittle. ZHYAO provides line speed and temperature matching solutions. During commissioning, use oven temperature trackers to measure actual workpiece surface temperatures, establishing the correlation between speed and temperature. When line speed changes, curing temperature adjusts simultaneously. This is where accumulation conveyors add value. ZHYAO's accumulation conveyor enables accumulation plus release functionality. An accumulation zone before the curing oven allows workpieces to queue orderly. When one station stops briefly, upstream and downstream sections continue running. Fast and slow chains are controlled separately, keeping the curing section continuously loaded, ensuring proper curing time while avoiding full line shutdown. Adjust line speed, adjust temperature too. Does your line speed match your curing temperature? Drop a comment below.
ZHYAO. Together, we color the world.